To adjust the speed of your audio in Audacity, you'll have to select your audio recording and go to Effect. And you'll have one option to choose between these two effects, either the change speed or change tempo. And the difference between these two is that with the change speed effect, you're affecting both the tempo and the pitch, while with the change tempo effect, you're only affecting the tempo, and Audacity does this counter process where it keeps the same pitch. But now in the change speed effect, to make your audio sound faster, you have to change your speed multiplier above 1.
Let's try to speed this up and
also that increase the pitch. And if you go below 1, it will make it much slower and lower in pitch.
Let's try to speed this.
And now with the change tempo effect, if you go below 0, it will make your audio slower, but you'll have the same pitch. Let's try. And you go anywhere above 0 and it will make it much faster with the same pitch. Let's try to speed this up. Just one quick note, anytime you're using any of these effects, if your audio is attached to some sort of video, keep in mind that both of these effects affect the length of your audio. So you would have to adjust the length of your video as well if you're using this effect on audio. Otherwise, it wouldn't match the video anymore and it would make no sense. But basically that's it. That's how you change the speed of your audio in Audacity using two different effects.